Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be covering the Air Jordan 4 Retros. These are called the White Thunders. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. I've decided honestly to reach back on this pair just because I was trying to figure out why the resale has held up on these and is really actually starting to increase through or into the holiday season. So we're going to talk about the overview of these, jump into size and fit. Then we'll talk about how I styled this nice clean black and white colorway. Then we'll conclude with how well these are currently doing on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. All right, for those of you who are Air Jordan 4 fans, this was definitely probably high on your list of pickups for the year of 2024. I do think as far as black and white colorways, they have become very much staples in any sneakerhead's collection just because they are easy to style, easy to wear, and this colorway is just very simplistic and very minimalistic. As far as the upper goes, pretty much solidly covered with that nubuck suede, and the suede is actually really nice quality, surprisingly. Another thing that I feel like you really have to have these in hand to feel that texture and to feel that difference of having a bit of a cheaper quality nubuck, which honestly you just really don't know on Jordan pairs. I feel like it's just up in the air, and depending on when you unbox them, you just really don't know. Those photos that you may see online unfortunately don't really kind of showcase that, but I will say they really gave you some good high quality nubuck on this pair. As far as the caging unit goes, we do have that just matte black color scheme underneath on the meshing. It's simplistic in white. The eyelets here on the sides are white as well, popping quite nicely off of that black nubuck. And then we've got some simplistic black laces and a nice satin tag here with that Jumpman logo in that pop of white. All right, so let's take a look at those details and then we will jump into the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels, as you can see kind of on the nubuck, the one thing that I hate about nubucks and suede is it does attract dust and hair. So you can kind of see that there are a little bit of white particles on there. So I definitely feel like you will have a need for a lint roller with these, but it does hit the light quite nicely on the side profile of this. So the medial and lateral side are exactly the same as each color scheme and color combination. We've got the white and black, and you can see in the caging unit here, still that same matte black finish, as well as the side paneling and the back paneling for the heel. The pull tab is also in the matte black finish with the Jumpman logo in white. The interior is fully covered in black for the collar, and then the insole is fully covered in black with the white Jumpman logo, and then we've got the Air Jordan tag on the inside in white and black and satin. Then when we move down to the midsole, we've got just a nice clean white finish with some black intermixed there, and then some white, as you can see in that bubble, and then the outsole is in black and white. As far as this color blocking goes, these are reminiscent of the Red Thunders, which previously released prior to these, and it has the same exact color combination except for, of course, that red color scheme. All right, so now let's talk about size and fit on these. I actually just went half size up, which I typically do on pretty much all of my Jordans now. So I went with a size 8. These did actually release in grade school and preschool. I'm actually gonna be probably doing a video soon on some amazing 2024 releases that also release in grade school and preschool. I think for kind of a family fit, this is just a great option. Again, just black and white. You really can't go wrong with these. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, black and white, definitely something I currently have in my wardrobe. I'm probably sure that most of you have black and white in your wardrobe, so this will be an easy one to style for you. For the first look, I kept it pretty simple. I decided to wear this really nice black and white cropped crew neck from Kith with Aaliyah, and it says baby girl on the front in white letters. I think that that matched this to a T. And then for the bottoms, I decided to wear some Jordan pants that also had that black and white color combination to really match this exactly. And then for the second look, decided to wear a black and white printed skirt with a matching button-up over jacket. And that was more of a dressier look with some tights. Last and final look, switched it up with some black denim and a nice fuzzy puffy coat. Now let's talk about Resale on these. Again, these released earlier in the year, but was really ecstatic to get these just to kind of see why people are so drawn to them and why they're doing so well on the resale market. Originally released at $215 retail, these are going between $230 to $315. I do think as far as the holidays coming up, this is definitely going to be a great gift option, especially if you're unclear as to the person you're gifting, what kind of colors they like on a sneaker. I think black and white is always a safe bet. And as popular as those pandas were, a key part and key reason to that was because of that color blocking and color combination. It just works with everything. And for somebody who's a fan of the fours, this is just a great color combo as well. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. And we will catch you all on the next episode.